Shallow utility closets can be optimized to store brooms, mops, and vacuums vertically so small homes stay orderly and functional. Start by planning for vertical storage with a 5-minute assessment. Measure closet height, depth, and door swing, then sketch where long-handled tools will hang without blocking the door. Use heavy-duty vertical-mounted tool holders placed at 2 heights so long handles rest on the floor while lighter tools hang higher. Mount into studs or use strong toggle anchors for a secure hold. For narrow closets, consider installing a sliding door or a bifold door to maximize usable interior space and keep long items accessible without needing wide clearances for opening. If you have a central vacuum system or a canister vacuum, integrate a docking station or an inlet plate inside the shallow closet so the hose stores neatly and the power connection is within reach. Otherwise, allocate a removable cord wrap and labeled shelf for attachments. Add broom clips and mop racks at elbow height to keep brush heads off the floor and to prevent mold. Choose rubberized grips to protect handles and to reduce slippage. Finally, make use of the inside of the closet door by installing a fold-out ironing board or slim clip pockets for dust cloths and cleaning solutions so every surface contributes storage without visual clutter. Common mistakes are overloading a single hook, which causes handles to bend and clips to fail, so spread weight across multiple holders and rotate heavy tools into floor stands when possible. Another issue is insufficient ventilation that lets mop heads mildew, so leave the door ajar after use or install a small passive vent or moisture-absorbing packet to keep airflow moving. People often forget access to accessories and cords, which leads to a jumble on the shelf. Solve that by dedicating labeled bins for attachments and a mounted cord reel or wrap that keeps electrical parts tidy and off the floor. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like optimizing shallow utility closets so we can find local professionals and share ideas. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we exchange layouts, product recommendations, and installation tips to help everyone improve storage in small homes.